So what we've got a video of today is a new Nissan Interstar L3 Dropside. This is the front wheel drive version. So currently we've got the lead times have recently just got better on these. This is our stock vehicle, so we've just literally had this one arrive. The vehicle has a front fog lights as standard, being the Techno specification. This is a model year 20 vehicle, so we'll go over that in a second when we get inside the cabin. On the front you've got the V-Motion grille and the Nissan badge. Then if we look at the top of the windscreen, there's a little sensor for your automatic lights and automatic wipers, which is nice in a van. Center caps on the wheels. Then you have the big wide view mirrors, which is nice. They're extended arms, so you can see around the vehicle. We open it up, look inside the cabin. The first thing that pops up is the driver's suspension seat. So we have an air suspension seat with all the adjustments, and also your controls for the air suspension, and in the arm as well, and the armrest. So your little swivel control, and then your armrest that folds down. The center console. So this is what denotes the fact that it's a model year 20. Model year 20s come with the digital radio with Bluetooth, air conditioning, the front fog lights and the automatic lights and wipers, as well as the cruise control. They lack sat nav unit, but we are able to order vehicles with a sat nav unit, so do get in touch with us if that's something that you require. Bit of a longer lead time, but we can do that. That's what your driver's control would look like. 12-volt socket in the front there. All of your controls again for your hazard lights, your central locking, loose ground control, and your auto stop start to switch that off. Vehicle does have stop start. It is a 6-speed manual diesel, 2.3 litre. It is 145 PS on this one. All your controls for your Bluetooth around the back of the steering wheel. There's a little scroller on the back that you can use to go through your contacts or your radio channels, and then your actual controls for your cruise controller on the steering wheel on both sides. And then you've got a button to activate your speed limiter or your cruise control, whichever you prefer. Then having a look at the actual Dropside body. So this is the interesting bit for people who are interested in a vehicle like this. Now you have it's a Scatolini body, so you have your pull arms and they snap all the way up, and that'll be in the release position. When we come around to the back here, now because this vehicle we've tied, I just literally opened it up for some pictures. We've got it tied to the side, so what they do is they supply this tie strap, so if you were to open the back tailgate, if you drop the back tailgate, you've got a it doesn't drop all the way down, so I'll show you that. So if we pop this one here, and on this side here, and then we drop that down. Now your drop side is hanging off the tie straps. You've got your reflectors, so if you were to drop the tailgate completely down by removing the clips, which are quite nice and easy to remove, you'll have your rear reflectors as well, so that'll be covered on legally. Then you've got your step, so if you were to drop it all the way down, your step folds out, and you've got your step there as well. And then the other addition that they've added for this year's model is this bar on the back, which is a you can ladder stowage system, so you can load up here, go all the way to the top of the roof. So on the bed you've got 3.8 meters, obviously at an angle slightly longer, coming up to the roof. And then you've got your bulkhead with the tie down points as well. Just close this up again. Factory fitted Towbar standard as well. So the towing hook I'll show you in a second. It's inside the cabin, but it is a 13-pin Towbar. The toolbox So this is a new addition as well. So they've added a toolbox to this spec, so that just pops open like so. And you've got a decent sized toolbox there as well. Then to close it away, just close the plastic lid, and the steel lid goes over the top. You can lock it through there. Then we open up the passenger side. On the passenger side, this is your Towbar unit, so it's tucked away in the bag. It's just a regular Towbar hook. That's your Towbar. And then we've got storage underneath the seats, which is nice. So it's all locked off at the front. If we lift the seats up, we've got storage underneath both seats, both passenger seats. The middle seat does fold down, and it still has your pivoting table. So we'll just do that so you can see it. It says your pivoting table. It rotates both ways, and then you've got your coat hooks on the back. I think all of that spec leads to a very nice spec vehicle. If you have any inquiries or would like to arrange a test drive or reviewing, please feel free to give me a call. My contact details will be below. Thanks for watching.